Hey guys, Spiffy Toys Channel here with this Be Our Guest Banquet Play-Doh set from Disney Princess Beauty and the Beast. This set comes with Play-Doh, a tabletop that fits over a can of Play-Doh with molds, Belle, mold for her skirt, Lumiere, he's also a Play-Doh knife. The serving cart is a rolling stamper. We're gonna have some mystery guests for a banquet. Stay tuned to the end of the video. This set comes with sparkly yellow Play-Doh, buttery cream yellow Play-Doh, white Play-Doh, and pink Play-Doh. Here are the molds for Mrs. Potts and Chip. Chip, Mrs. Potts, Cogsworth, let's help Belle get ready for the banquet. We'll make her skirt with this glittery yellow Play-Doh. Shopkins Chef Club. Here's the list and recipe card. It's Melissa Milk. Yay! So excited to join the banquet with Belle and her friends. Sea salt sells a mirror. Squishy Pops, My Little Pony charms. And we got yellow charms. Perfect for Belle. Peppa Pig Chupa Chups chocolate egg surprise. The little flyer, and George in his pirate costume. Yummy milky chocolate. Hello there, Mrs. Potts and Chip. Hey, I think our outfits match. Subscribe for more Play-Doh and toy surprises here on Spiffy Toys Channel.